If you're a small business owner looking to build business credit and manage your finances more effectively, Nav Prime might be the tool you've been searching for. It's designed to make the process of establishing and managing business credit straightforward, even if you're just starting out. The platform provides access to up to 6 detailed business and personal credit scores so you can get a better understanding of where you stand financially. You'll also receive alerts, reports from major credit bureaus, and access to tools that simplify cash flow management. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the complexities of business credit, Nav Prime gives you a clear roadmap with the support of a dedicated business credit coach. What's great about Nav Prime is that it doesn't require a hard credit check to get started, so you don't have to worry about your personal credit being affected. You can also build your business credit without a hefty upfront deposit by using the Nav Prime card. As long as you make payments on time, your activity is reported to the major business credit bureaus each month, which helps you build a stronger credit profile. This can be incredibly useful for small business owners who need to establish or improve their creditworthiness, but don't have a lot of time or resources to do it manually. Another solid feature is the Nav Business Checking Account, which is included with the subscription. This helps you keep your finances organized while building your credit, and the bookkeeping tools are straightforward enough that you don't need to be an accountant to use them. You also get access to a variety of reports that allow you to track your credit progress and better manage your business's cash flow, which is invaluable for staying on top of your financial health. However, like any service, Nav Prime has its drawbacks. The subscription fee is $39.99 per month for the track plan, $49.99 for the build plan, and $74.99 for the expand plan, which can add up over time. The fee structure may be a bit high if you're just getting started and don't need all of the features right away. Additionally, the Nav Prime card, which is key to building credit with Nav Prime, isn't available in all states yet. So if you're in Nevada, North Dakota, or South Dakota, you're out of luck for now. Also, the platform does require a certain level of consistency in using their tools to see significant progress. While some users may start seeing results within a few months, building strong business credit can take up to a year depending on your habits and other credit activity. Despite these minor inconveniences, Nav Prime is an excellent choice for small business owners who want a hands-on, guided approach to building business credit. Whether you're a new entrepreneur or an established business owner looking to streamline your financial processes, Nav Prime offers an array of features that can help you build a strong financial foundation. The combination of automated bookkeeping, credit reports, and expert coaching makes it a solid investment for anyone looking to grow their business and improve their credit score over time. Just make sure you're ready for the monthly subscription cost and that you're in a state where the Nav Prime card is available.